Okay, yeah, take the two outside screws out. We've already loosened these up. Right here, those hold the trim bezel on. Okay, once you come inside, there's two push pins that holds the bottom of that bezel on there. You can just take a push pin puller, pull them out of there. Alright, that gets your bezel, your outer bezel. Okay, your outer bezel is off of there now. That's it's out of your way. Okay, we'll set it over here. And okay, I'm going to end this video right here because of our slow internet speed. You know what I mean? You're going to get about 3 different videos here. The next one's going to be taking the handle out of there. Alright, we're getting ready to take the handle out here. We're going to pop off this last clip that goes to the rod there. Okay, it's unclipped. Now there's some wiggling and jiggling and finagling goes on getting this handle out of here, but it'll come in and out. Alright, there it comes. Okay, the handle is out of there now. Okay, these the problem lies in these mechanisms right here. They get dry and they get rust in them, you know, and you can spray some liquid wrench on them and just keep working them until they free up good. And then one should always put some lithium grease or something on them. This particular latch right here, it's been taken apart and greased because I did the job. This used to be on my EXT, and I went to having the same problems you're having, and I had to take it apart and grease it. And it's a real common problem too. These GM tailgates sit around a little bit and they quit working. But just get it working and get everything lubed up and put some lithium grease on it, you know what I mean, and it'll be fine. You've got all your different mechanisms here. You've got your locking mechanism. I don't know whether you can't really see it, but this is basically your locking mechanism here. This locks it, unlocks it. Just get all of that needs to be, you know, loosened up, freed up, and worked. Because what it is, when you go to working these levers right here, they will work a lot more. That's locked. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, work them. See, when you work them like this by hand, you can work them a lot further and a lot more than what they will work, because they don't pull that latch that much. You know, you can. This kind of gives everything a chance to get loosened up good, and then you get it working good, and you put it back together, and it'll be just fine.